Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Beta, as you know, your tests are going on, and this is your third test, exercise 2.2. Beta, what is in the exercise 2.2? In exercise 2.2, there is multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fractions means how to multiply the fractions. हमने fraction को बेटा multiply कैसे करें? For example, I have two fractions, 3/2 and 2/5, or you can take 7/5. Okay, I want to multiply them. But I want to multiply, that means there will be sign of multiplication. कौन सा sign होगा? Sign of multiplication. Then simply multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay? So 3 multiply 7 upon 2 multiply 5. 3 multiply 7, you know, 21. 2 multiply 5, it will be 10. So multiplication of the fraction is very easy. Means you can say, what is the multiplication of fraction? Multiply numerators upon multiply denominators. In that way you can easily multiply the fraction. Numerator को numerator से multiply करो, denominator को denominator, you will get your answer. And one step, one point, keep in mind beta. For example, I have this here first example. For example, I have two fraction in the form 4/7, 14/8. I want to multiply them. That means here will be sign of multiplication. Look beta, first of all, anything is common between numerator and denominator. अगर numerator और denominator में बच्चे कुछ common है, you have to cancel here. आपने यहीं पर उसको cancel कर देना, आगे नहीं करना. Okay? Multiply करने से पहले check करो if anything is common between numerator and denominator, like 8 and 4. 8 is on the table of 4, so we can cancel 8 on the table of 4. 4 2s are 8. Clear? And similarly beta 14 is on the table of 7, so we can cancel 14 on the table of 7. 7 2s are 14. Okay, understood? So we have only 2/2. 2/2 is left. Numerator में भी 2 है हमारे पास, denominator में भी only we have 2. So 2 is cancelled with 2, 2 भी 2 से cancel हो जाएगा, सभी cancel हो गए. So that means यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? Is equal to 1. सभी cancel हो गए तो क्या होगा बेटा? 1 होगा. कुछ बच्चे क्या लिखेंगे? 0. No. अगर all are cancels, that means यहाँ पर क्या आपका 1 है, 0 नहीं है. Okay बेटा? Understood? In that way you can multiply the fractions. आप देख लो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ एनीथिंग इज कॉमन बिटवीन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर तो उसको कैंसिल कर दो. अगर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है बेटा, एज लाइक द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देन यू कैन ईजिली मल्टीप्लाई. न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से कर दो. क्लियर बेटा? यस बेटा. एक्सरसाइज 2.2 वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. आई होप यू क्लियर अबाउट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द फ्रैक्शंस. So based on multiplication is our exercise 2.2. First question multiply. आपने multiply करना है. इस first part 7/11 by 3/5. 7/11 को किसके साथ multiply करना है बेटा? 3/5 के साथ multiply करना है. That means sign of multiplication. We are multiplying with 3/5. So 7/5 is multiplied by 3/5. Look, anything is common between numerator and denominator? 7/5. Nothing is common. 7/11. Nothing is common. 3/5. Nothing is common. 3/11. Nothing is common. कुछ भी common नहीं है numerator और denominator. So simply multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 7 multiply 3, 11 multiply 5. 7 into 3 21, 11 into 5 55. In that way you can easily multiply the fractions. Okay beta. Similarly second question you can try. Third question beta. Simplify. You is saying simplify. Simplify, not multiply. Simplify. Okay. First part. 12 upon 25 multiply 15 upon 28 multiply 35 upon 36. Okay, beta he is saying simplify. तो ड्यूरिंग द चेकिंग आई हैव ऑब्जर्व बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. 12 मल्टीप्लाई 15 मल्टीप्लाई 35 जितना आ गया हमने यहीं पर लिख दिया. Then they are multiplying denominator 25 28 multiplied 36 मल्टीप्लाई कर आप आंसर लिख रहे हो. दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. वी हैव टू सिंपलीफाई. मैंने पहले ही बताया अगर समथिंग इज कॉमन बिटवीन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर तो आप क्या करोगे, उसको कैंसिल करोगे मल्टीप्लाई. सो लुक हियर 15 and 25 both are on the table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Clear? ये कैंसिल हो गए बेटा. Similarly 35 and 28 both are on the table of 7. 7 5s are 35 and 7 4s are 28. ये भी कैंसिल हो गए बेटा. And this 5 is cancelled with this. 5 से 5 कैंसिल हो गए. ओके, क्लियर बेटा. अब बेटा this 5 is cancelled with that 5. And similarly 36 and 12. 36 on the table of 12. 12 3s are 36. Okay, understood. And 3 is cancelled with these 3. 3 से 3 cancel हो गया. What is left बेटा? Check करो. We have only 4 left in the denominator. What is left in the numerator? Numerator में कुछ pending है? All are cancelled. Nothing is pending. That means we have only 1 in the numerator. अगर कुछ नहीं है that means we have only 1 in the numerator. 0 नहीं लिखना वहाँ पर आपने. क्या लिखना है? 1. And what is common? What is left in the denominator? Denominator में कुछ है? Yes बेटा. We have only 1 number in the denominator. That is 4. So your answer is 1 upon 4. In that way beta you have to multiply the fraction. Okay. If something is common तो उसको cancel करो आप. अगर कुछ भी नहीं है common then directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 7 multiply 3 21, 11 multiply 5 55. In that way beta you can easily multiply the fractions. Yes beta, our next question, question 6th. Find. You have to find his first part. 7 upon 11 of 330. Or means बच्चे you know very well. Or means क्या होता है? Multiply होता है. Okay? यहाँ पर होता है that means you have to multiply the numbers. So 7 upon 5 of means beta multiply by 330. Okay. Now look, anything is common? Yes. 330 we can cancel it on the table of 11. 11 3s are 33. साथ में क्या है ये 0. Okay, understood. Now what is left? In the numerator we have 7 multiply 3. 7 multiply 3. Sorry, 7 multiply 30. 7 multiply 30 beta it will be 210. What is left in the denominator? In denominator nothing is there. 11 is cancelled. And what is the denominator of 331? Denominator में क्या है बेटा? Only 1 we have. So 7 multiply 30 it will be 210. Upon 1 में होगा means upon 1 it will be 210. 1 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करो तो वही नंबर रहता है. So directly you can write 7 into 30 210. Okay, here is beta rupees. 7 upon 11 or 330 rupees. So your answer will be in the rupees. Clear? Understood? And its fifth part beta, 5/6 of an year he is saying you have to find 5/6 part of an year. एक साल का आपने 5/6 पार्ट फाइंड आउट करना है बेटा। जहां पर भी मेंशन हो ऑफ एन ईयर, ऑफ अ किलोग्राम, ऑफ अ लीटर, ओके, then you have to change them into smaller units, okay, like an year contain 12 month, 1 year में बच्चे कितने months होते हैं? 12. So first of all you have to change year into months, okay, so we will write 5/6 of means multiply an year, you know 1 year is equal to 12 months, so we have changed them into months, okay. So now look, if anything is common, yes, we can cancel on 2, 6 2s are 12, okay. So what is left? 5 multiplied 2, 5 multiplied 2 it is 10. What will be? 10 months, okay. Clear? Understood? In that way you have to solve these type of problem. अगर यहाँ पर an year if a kilogram होता, one thing, if one thing you have given, then you have to change them into smaller units. तो आप हम क्या करते? If there is 1 kilogram, then we will change 1 kilogram into gram. 1 kilogram has 1000 gram, then we will solve ahead. Clear beta? In that way you have to solve these types of problems. Okay beta? Now beta, some word problem based on the multiplication of fractions. Your question 7 of exercise 2.2. Look at the statement. Shikha plants 5 saplings in a row in her garden. Saplings means beta small plants. Sapling क्या होता है? Plants होते हैं, small plants. They are called saplings. शिखा ने क्या किया? अपने गार्डन में एक रो में कितने प्लांट्स प्लांट किए? 5. कितने बेटा? 5 plants. I try to draw a diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that way, in a row, she planted 5 saplings. Okay, beta? Clear? The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3/4 meter. हमारे पास क्या given है बेटा? Distance between two adjacent saplings. Adjacent means बेटा जो प्लांट साथ साथ में साथ लगते हैं, जो मीन्स ये दोनों एडजेसेंट हैं, ये दोनों एडजेसेंट हैं, ये दोनों एडजेसेंट हैं, ये दोनों एडजेसेंट, मीन्स इन सभी में जो एडजेसेंट ये होंगे ना, इनका डिस्टेंस एडजेसेंट प्लांट का कितना है बेटा? 3/4 मीटर। मीन्स ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? 3/4 मीटर। ये भी कितना होगा बेटा? 3/4। ये भी कितना होगा? एडजेसेंट, ये दोनों एडजेसेंट हैं, ये भी 3/4 होगा, ये दोनों एडजेसेंट हैं, ये भी 3/4 होगा। क्लियर बेटा? अंडरस्टूड? ओके, क्लियर? राइट फ्रैक्शन दैट बी 3/4, 3/4. Okay. So distance between two adjacent saplings. This distance is 3/4. This is also 3/4. This is also 3/4 meter. This is also 3/4 meter. What we have to find? Find the distance between first and last sapling. आपने क्या करना है? फर्स्ट और लास्ट सैपलिंग में कितना डिस्टेंस है, मतलब ये डिस्टेंस बच्चे आपने फाइंड आउट करना है। यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट डिस्टेंस। ओके, यहां से यहां तक। अब देखो बच्चे, these all distances are equal to 3/4. So how many adjacent distance are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. कितने adjacent distance है बेटा? 4. 1 adjacent distance किसके इक्वल है? 3/4. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस ये कितना होगा, ये टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, वन एडजेसेंट डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू 3.4। हाउ मेनी डिस्टेंसेस, कितनी गैप देखो कितनी है, 1 2 3 4। सो 3.4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, 4 से 4 क्या हो गया बेटा, कैंसिल। सो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट सैपलिंग इज 3 मीटर। पहले और लास्ट प्लांट में कितना डिस्टेंस आ गया बच्चे, 3/4। मींस मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम first you will convert them word problem into mathematical problem, okay, then easily you can solve, okay beta. Yes beta, one more sum we will discuss. Question 14th, each side of a sphere is 6 and 2/3 meter। बच्चे आपके पास गिवन क्या है, each side of sphere is equal to 6 and 2/3 meter। you have to find its area। स्क्वायर की साइड गिवन है बच्चे आपको, आपने क्या करना है, उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है। यू नो वेरी वेल एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर। हाउ टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, you know it, we have studied it in previous class। area of sphere is equal to side multiply side, side multiply side। so apply that formula। length of side is beta 6 and 2/3, fill here 6 and 2/3 multiply 6 and 2/3, clear। now this is a mixed fraction, we can easily convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction। 6 multiply 3 18, 18 plus 2 20, it will be 20/3। similarly this will also be 20/3। now beta look, there is anything common between numerator and denominator, to 23, nothing is common, 23 nothing is common। so multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator। so 20 multiply 20 beta, it will be 400, 3 multiply 3 it will be 9। so area of sphere is equal to 400/9 meter square। look, this is in meter, this is in meter, meter multiply meter, it will be meter square। you can leave the question here, but if you want to match the answer then change it into mixed fraction, then area will be, if we will change it into the mixed fraction, it becomes 44 and 4/9 meters, 44 and 4/9 meters। okay beta, clear। this is all about multiplication of the fraction, in that way we will solve all the problems, okay beta। so best of luck for your test, thank you।